What if you could record your dreams? I mean, really record them and turn them into little movies you could watch when you wake up. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, today we're looking at a real piece of tech that does just that. It's called the Dream Recorder. You know the feeling. You wake up from this incredibly vivid dream. It felt so real. You were right there. You try to hold on to the details, but they just dissolve, like trying to hold sand in your hands. But what if you could actually save them? What if you could hit replay? Well, get this. In 2026, that fantasy became a reality. A company called Modem Works actually released a device that lets you do exactly that. So let's dive in and take a look at how this incredible device actually turns your subconscious into your own private cinema. Okay, so the core idea here is absolutely fascinating. The Dream Recorder doesn't read your mind. It's not that kind of sci-fi. Instead, it's a smart bedside device that just listens. As soon as you wake up, you just start talking, describing your dream out loud, and the AI inside transforms your words into a cinematic video. It's a simple idea, but the implications are huge. But how in the world does it actually work? Let's pop the hood and see what's going on inside this dream machine. You might be surprised at just how straightforward the whole process is. It really boils down to 4 simple steps. First, you just talk to the device, tell it your dream. Then, a powerful AI transcribes your voice into text. After that, a different AI takes that text and generates a video from it. And finally, the best part, you get to watch your very own dreamscape on the device's screen. It's designed to hold a new dream for each night of the week, which is a pretty cool touch. So the tech behind all this is basically a mashup of some seriously powerful AI tools. For transcription, it's using tech from OpenAI. And for the video generation, it's powered by Luma AI. What's really great is that it's built to be global. It works in any language. Plus, you can even tweak the visual style. So if you want your dream to look super surreal or more like a Hollywood movie, you can do that. Now, here's what I think is one of the coolest parts of this whole project. It's completely DIY. It's open source, which means you can download the code, grab some common parts like a Raspberry Pi, 3D print the case, and just build it yourself. No soldering required. It's a perfect weekend project for any maker or tech geek out there. All right, so we know how it works, but now for the bigger question, why would you want one? What's the real magic in replaying your dreams? Well, the Dream Recorder has some really compelling strengths. For starters, it's phone-free. No apps, no notifications, no distractions, which is a huge plus for better sleep. It's open source, so you can tinker with it to your heart's content. And this is a big one, it's privacy-focused. Your dreams are stored locally on the device, not uploaded to some random cloud server. And this quote from a user really just nails it. They said it's like watching your subconscious on screen, mind-blowing for self-reflection. It's not just a gadget, it becomes this powerful tool for looking inward. And that actually brings us to its therapeutic potential. People are finding that by watching their dreams, they can start to spot recurring patterns and themes. It turns dream journaling into this easy, seamless ritual, and you get to do it all without staring at the blue light from your phone right before bed. Okay, but it's not all perfect. Like any new piece of tech, the Dream Recorder has its challenges. So let's be realistic and take a look at some of the hurdles. You know, it's all about trade-offs. On one hand, the open source ethos is amazing. But it does mean you need some basic DIY skills and access to a 3D printer. And while your dreams are stored privately, the device does need to ping external AI services to work, which could mean some API costs if you're a heavy user. And finally, while the device itself is multilingual, the setup instructions are pretty much English only for now. So, with all of that on the table, who is the Dream Recorder really for? Let's wrap this up with the final verdict. This device really seems to hit a sweet spot for a few groups. Creatives looking for a new source of inspiration, for sure. Therapists who want to explore new tools with their clients. Wellness seekers on a journey of self-discovery. And of course, tech enthusiasts who just love a good DIY project. But honestly, it's for anyone who's just a little bit curious about what's going on in their own head. For its totally innovative approach to self-reflection and pure creativity, we're giving the Dream Recorder a really solid 4.8 out of 5 stars. It gets top marks for being a creative powerhouse and for its focus on privacy and wellness. The only reason it doesn't get a perfect 5 is because of that DIY barrier to entry and its reliance on those external AI services. But honestly, for the right person, this thing is an absolute game changer. So, I'll leave you with this question to think about. If you could watch your inner world play out on a screen, what would you be looking for? What secrets about yourself do you think you'd find?